Today we'll be speaking about our industrial visit to Vanita Agro on 21st March 2026. Introduction. Vanita Agro Agrochem Private Limited, commonly known as Vanita Agro, is located in village of Takavre in Shirol Taluka of Kolhapur in Maharashtra, an agricultural company that works to support farmers by providing fertilizers, micronutrients and other crop care products. As a part of our educational activities, we visited Vanita Agro to learn more about agricultural and how agro-based organizations work. The field visit helped us understand different farming practices and importance of sustainable agriculture and role of such organizations playing in supporting farmers. Our topics are Henry Ford's Administrative Theory of Management, Coordinating and Directing. These are the principles of Henry Ford's Administrative Theory of Management. There are in total 14 principles. The first one is the principle of division of work. It means work is divided in small tasks for better efficiency. Skilled workers handle specific tasks according to their expertise, and scientists focus on R&D, product development and testing in Vanita Agro. Hence, we can say Vanita Agro follows the principle of division of work. The second is principle of authority and responsibility. It means managers should have authority along with responsibility. In Vanita Agro, managers are given the authority to supervise and guide their teams. Each department head is responsible for the performance of their department. Production managers have authority over manufacturing process and responsible for the output quality.
The third principle of management is principle of discipline. So it means that employees should follow the rules, regulations and respect the authority in the organization. In Vanita Agro, the managers are given the authority to supervise and guide their teams. So the workers maintain punctuality, safety rules are strictly followed in Vanita Agro. Staff respect their supervisors and follow the instructions. They are given the clear guidelines and behavior for work performance. Any misconduct or disciplines are handled with proper action in Vanita Agrochem. So we can say that in Vanita Agrochem, the principle of discipline of management is followed. The next principle is the principle of unity of command. It means that each employee should receive the orders from only one supervisor, and to avoid confusion, in Vanita Agro, each employee has to report to only one immediate supervisor or the manager. Workers in the production department take the instructions only from the production head, while the workers in the lab follow the directions given by their quality control head, and the sales team member report to their respective sales head. This avoids confusion and conflict, and it ensures clear communication between the staff. So we can say that the principle of unity of command is followed in Vanita Agrochem. The next principle is the unity of direction. It means that one head and one plan for a group of activities having the same objective. In Vanita Agrochem, they have single objective, one plan, one manager, coordination, which avoids the confusion. So this increases the efficiency. For example, if Vanita Agro plans to increase the fertilizer production, the purchase team arranges new raw materials, production team increases the output, and sales team distributes to the farmers. So hence we can say that in Vanita Agrochem, the principle of unity of direction is followed.
So the next principle is principle of remuneration. It means employees should given fair and satisfactory wages. In Vanita Agro, they have fair wages, employee satisfaction, equal pay for equal work, incentives and bonus, reduces conflict and increase efficiency. Example, if workers produce more fertilizers, company gives bonus or incentives, encourages better performance and satisfaction. Here, thereby it follows the principle of remuneration. Principle of centralization. It means decision-making authority is concerned at top management. In Vanita Agro, top level decisions, authority at top, uniform policies, better control, limited delegations, consistency in work is seen. Example, if Vanita Agro decides to launch a new fertilizer product, final decision is taken by top management, workers and supervisors follow the plan. This shows that principle of centralization is followed. Next is principle of scalar chain. It means clear chain of authority from top to bottom. In Vanita Agro, clear hierarchy, top communication, defined authority, order and discipline, smooth coordination and gang plan is observed. Example, if workers face any issue, report to supervisor informs manager informs the top management. Here this follows the principle of scalar chain. Next is principle of order. It means place for everything and everything in its place. In Vanita Agro, proper arrangement of resources, right person at right job, organized stores, efficient workflow, avoid wastage, improves productivity. All is this is seen in Vanita. Example, raw materials are stored properly and works are assigned specific roles. Production becomes smooth and efficient. This Vanita Agro follows this principle of order.
So next we have here is principle of equity. It means managers should be kind, fair and just to all employees. In Vanita Agro they have fair treatment, kind and respectful, no bias, equal opportunities and healthy work environment which improves morale. Next up is here principle of stability of tenure. It means employees should have job security and not be removed frequently. In Vanita Agro they have job security, low employee turnover, experienced workforce, loyalty to company, better efficiency and employee satisfaction. Example, workers continue working for many years. They become skilled in fertilizer production. This shows stability in tenure and hereby we can say that Vanita Agro follows the principle of equity. Principle of initiative. It means employees should be encouraged to initiative and suggest ideas. In Vanita Agro, they have encouraging new ideas, freedom to act, improvement in processes, employee participation, boosts confidence and increases productivity. Example, a worker suggests a faster way to mix fertilizers, management accepts the idea, production improves, it shows initiative is encouraged. Hereby we can say that Vanita Agro follows the principle of initiative. Principle of esprit de corps. It means unity is strength and promotes team spirit among employees. In Vanita Agro, they have team spirit, harmony in workplace, effective communication, avoids conflicts and sense of belongingness with better performance. Example, workers cooperate to complete fertilizer production on time. This helps each other in work, shows team spirit. Hereby we can say that Vanita Agro follows the principle of esprit de corps. Thank you.
The next topic of our report is coordinating. Coordinating means bringing together all activities and departments to work in harmony. Departmental coordination, purchase, production and sales department work together. Unity in work, all activities are aligned towards the same goal. Smooth flow of work, raw materials, then production, then packaging and then distribution happens smoothly. Proper communication, information is shared between departments regularly. Avoids conflicts, coordination prevents misunderstanding between teams, improves efficiency, better coordination leads to faster and better production. Planning coordination, all departments plan their work together in advance. Inventory coordination, proper coordination of stock in warehouses. Managerial coordination, managers ensure all teams work properly. Logistics coordination, coordination of transport and delivery systems. Time coordination, all activities are completed on time. Problem solving coordination, departments work together to solve issues. External coordination, coordination with suppliers, dealers and government for better efficiency. Example, purchase team buys raw material on time. Production team manufactures fertilizers. Sales team distributes to farmers. All work together smoothly, showing coordination. Hence we can say Vanita Agro follows follows the function of coordination in their industry.
The next function of management is directing. Directing is the management function which involves guiding, supervising, motivating the employees to work efficiently towards achieving the organizational goals. So, first, leadership. Managers guide and lead the employees towards the company goals. Second, communication. Clear instructions and information are shared with the workers. Third, supervision. Work is continuously monitored to ensure tasks are done correctly. Fourth, motivation. Employees are encouraged to perform better through their incentives and support. Fifth, issuing instructions. Proper directions are issued to the employees. Sixth, coordination through directing. Directing ensures that all the department works with coordination. Time management. Employees are guided to work within the deadlines. Efficient work performance. Directing helps employees to use resources efficiently, achieving goals. All the efforts are directed towards the organizational goal. Continuous guidance. The employees receive ongoing support and direction during the work. Conclusion. In Vanita Agro, it helps in better workforce performance, goal achievement, smooth operations. Example, a manager at Vanita Agrochem instructs workers on how to produce fertilizer, supervises the work and motivates them to meet the production targets on time. Thank you.